be going on a beach trip soon and I'm currently packing our medical kit for the baby. An overview, I actually ordered more bins. Mas prefer ko yung ganitong size. I think this is the size small. Kaya lang nung dumating sila, medyo nasira-sira sila, na-dent sila. So, I ordered more. You can see this one is too big. So, naghahalo-halo yung mga stuff. But first, let me show you what I put inside. Is this kit. Ito yung mga medicines, kaya yung mga iniinom. I have a list of these things. So, if you need it or if you're gonna be traveling soon and you need a checklist, just let me know. I'm willing to share my checklist. I have this Bifina. Ayan. Actually, marami pa to. Pero nandun siya sa isang medical kit. Ersaflora. Yan mawawala. This is the old version pa. Pero kasi mag-expire siya ng December 2025 pa. Tempra. To super must have. Allerkit for allergies. Ambroxol, pero sobrang optional lang nito. Even the Desogen, I'm supposed to be bringing that, kaya lang nag-expire na pala siya, so hindi ko na dinala. Yung mga teething relief, yung Shoti, and then this one is yung for sleeping aid, pang-calm. And then, of course, oral hydration salts. Ayan, hinahalo siya sa water pag na-dehydrate niyo yung babies niyo. May bacterial ointment. Marami siyang laman, so let me go through them one by one. The first aid essentials, of course, di mawawala. This is the skin disinfectant. This is called Cutacep. I actually got this nung nasias ako. So, ito yung nisa-spray sa wound ko. I have the betadine spray. I'm gonna show a photo na lang here. Nandun siya sa isang medicine kit namin for adults naman. This Band-Aids. Ayan. So, we'll be bringing this little kit. It has nail scissors and tweezers and nail cutters. This will be at the beach. Di namin alam baka may jellyfish. And diba, they always tell na you have to bring us tweezers to remove the tentacles if ever mastung ka ng jellyfish. So, yan. Complete kit na. And meron na rin siyang scissors for cutting bunnies or whatever. Minor wounds. Ayan. Lucas Papaw. Ubu gel from Tiny Buds. But I haven't tried it. So, dinala ko lang siya kasi handy siya. Ayan. Maliit lang siya. This is the Buki Boo Soothing Gel. So, pag nabite ng mosquitoes yung babies nyo, you can use this one. This is very minty. So, very soothing siya. Lalo na pag itchy na yung mosquito bite. We've always used this and mabango rin siya. So, ayan, dinala ko na lang rin. Skin spray, super duper important. This one kasi ang ganda ng mist niya and tinry ko siya sa sarili ko, hindi siya masakit. Throat spray for kids, we got this from Japan. Just in case na magkaroon sila ng sore throat. Lalo na si Blair, prone to sore throat. So, ayan. At least meron silang options. Thermometer, it's a must-have. Also, bringing a cold compress. So, ito, lalagay mo lang siya sa ref and it will become cold na. Pwede rin siyang sa warm water and it will become warm. Full fever for if ever magkaroon sila ng fever. Chest rub. Super tagal na nito. I think kayo siya bebe pa. Mosquito repellent, pero we also have a spray version. I will be putting that in the caddy. Ito yung parang extra lang. Stickers, patches, ayan. So, iba pa yung for the adults. I will be packing that once dumating na yung iba kong bins. But let me know if you wanna see that as well. For sure, it will be more compact. Kasi, syempre for adults, parang kaya mong tiisin yung konting discomfort. We'll also be packing yung mga sun gel, after sunscreen, aloe gel in a different pack. So, hindi ko rin siya pinakita dito kasi parang hindi rin naman siya necessarily first aid. More on parang toiletries na siya for me. Kung nakalimutan or if you think na meron akong need dalhin tapos di ko na pack, let me know.